Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this short video I am going to show you how to make our Excel speak. For example, if I select this line and click on this icon, let us see what happens.
How to make our Excel speak.
So this line has been read out loudly. Similarly, in this table, if I select this part and click on this icon again, let's see what happens.
Item 1. VAT. 20,000. Item 2. Ball. 1,000. Item 3. Box. 400. Item 4. Pencil. 50. Total. 21,450.
This is accomplished by a small VBA subprogram. So we press Alt F11 to go to the VBA editor and see what is the subprogram. So subprogram is this one. Its name is speak cell. So first line is the declaration statement, dim cell as range, set cell equal to selection, and then for each C in cell, this is the speech command, application.speech.speak c.value next, and then end sub. So this much is good enough. So we again go back to our Excel sheet. So in this icon, that subprogram or macro has been enabled. So I make a fresh one here. So I insert another icon here like this and just right click it, and there is this assign macro. So you click this one, and then this pixel is our subprogram for speaking, and then press OK. Now this icon is now ready for speaking. So let us now select these two cells and then click here.
Total. 21,450.
Okay. So that's it in this video, and
If you like such interesting videos, then please subscribe this channel.
so thanks for watching.